Hi! In this video I will show you how to change iPhone connected to your Apple Watch. Tap on the app Watch on your old iPhone. Tap here. And here. And tap Unpair Apple Watch. Wait until the Apple Watch is ready. Go over to your new iPhone and tap on the app Watch. And tap on Start Pairing. Tap on Restore from Backup. Select an old backup. Tap on Agree. Tap on OK. Don't share. Tap on OK. Your Apple Watch is ready. And that's it.
Thank you for watching this video. If you got the help you were looking for, please subscribe to this channel and tap the button right here.